Finding the right CNC laser machine can be challenging. Some models lack power, others have limited engraving areas, and many don't offer the smart features users need for precise projects. Whether you're creating custom GIFs, cutting wood, engraving logos, or starting a small business, a reliable laser engraver can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best CNC laser machines of 2026. We researched features, performance, and user feedback to bring you the best options available. Check the links in the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Number 5. Atomstack A20 Pro V2 Portable Laser Engraver. The Atomstack A20 Pro V2 is a powerful portable laser engraver designed for DIY creators and small business users. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity, it allows convenient wireless operation from compatible devices. This machine can engrave and cut materials such as wood, leather, paper, plastic, and painted metal tags with impressive precision. Its advanced laser technology produces clean lines and detailed artwork while maintaining stable performance. Compact yet capable, it's perfect for personalized gifts, custom branding, and creative projects at home or in a workshop environment. Number 4. TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro Laser Engraver. The TwoTrees TTS-55 Pro is an advanced laser engraving and cutting machine built for users who need both power and flexibility. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and offline control capabilities, it offers convenient operation without requiring a constant computer connection. The 445 ±5 nanometers blue laser delivers accurate engraving and smooth cutting performance on wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Its sturdy frame enhances stability during long projects, while the large working area provides plenty of room for creative designs. This machine is ideal for hobbyists, makers, and small businesses. Number 3. LaserTree K1 Pro Laser Engraver. The LaserTree K1 Pro is a professional-grade CNC laser machine available with powerful 30-watt and 40-watt laser modules. Designed for both engraving and cutting applications, it features a generous 400 by 400 millimeter working area that accommodates larger projects with ease. The machine delivers exceptional detail on wood, leather, acrylic, and other materials, while maintaining strong cutting performance. Its durable construction and precise motion system ensure reliable results, even during extended use. For creators seeking professional quality output and expanded workspace, the K1 Pro is an excellent investment. Number 2. Algolaser DIY CNC Laser Cutter Engraver. The Algolaser DIY CNC Laser Cutter Engraver combines smart technology with powerful performance. Featuring a large 40 by 43 centimeter working area, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, and a responsive 3.5-inch touchscreen, it offers a modern and user-friendly experience. This machine handles engraving and cutting tasks on wood, metal, leather, and various crafting materials with impressive accuracy. The touchscreen interface allows convenient control without always relying on a computer, while wireless connectivity adds extra flexibility. It's an outstanding choice for makers, entrepreneurs, and workshop professionals. Number 1. Wainlux Laser Engraver K6. The Wainlux K6 earns the top spot thanks to its combination of portability, affordability, and ease of use. Powered by a 3000 milliwatt blue laser and equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, this compact engraver is ideal for beginners and hobbyists. It can create detailed engravings on wood, plastic, leather, paper, and other compatible materials. The lightweight design makes it easy to transport, while the simple setup allows users to start projects quickly. Whether you're creating custom logos, personalized gifts, or small craft items, the Wainlux K6 delivers impressive results in a compact package. If you're looking for a CNC laser machine that offers precision, reliability, and excellent value, these 5 models are among the best choices available today. From beginner-friendly portable engravers to powerful professional cutting machines, there's an option for every budget and project type. Which laser engraver is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more technology reviews and buying guides.